Where are we going today?
Prerna's fan.
अंदर जगह नहीं है बैठने की।
खड़ा लेके खाने का।
ओह थैंक
खड़ा
यू।
लेके खाने का और छतरी लेके खड़ा रहने का।
The lights should you have to come here at Christmas. See, I have been there last time. So Christmas का time था। Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's vlog is going to be super chill and aesthetic because we are heading to one of the most iconic cafe in Bandra, which is Candies. But before that, let me take you along on the pre-cafe adventure. So first I headed to the Phoenix Palladium Mall to pick up my friends. We thought why not make it a full day outing. So I was honestly starving by then, so made a quick pit stop at Paul, one of my favorite cafe there, and I had this super refreshing banana shake that totally saved me. The Paul, which is in the Palladium Mall, which is inside the courtyard. So this open space is called courtyard. Where are we going, Shivani?
Hi, Prerna.
Where are we going today?
Prerna's fan. We're going to Candies, to Bandra.
Are you sure we are going to Candies?
Yes.
So we are going to Candies. Once the energy was back up, we booked up a car and began our ride to Bandra. So today we are here at Bandra to pick up Angie. So we'll go after that for breakfast. Very shy. On the way, we picked up our friend Angie from her place, and that's when the real vibe of the day kicked in. Laughs, plans, and a lot of anticipation for Candies. Guys, हम बहने गए उधर, इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, इतनी ज़्यादा लोगों को छतरियाँ दी थी खड़े होने के लिए, और हमारे अंदर इतनी पेशेंस नहीं थी कि हम छतरी लेके खड़े हो जाए उधर वेट करें डोसा के लिए. Then we have took auto again and we are going to Candies. लाइन रहती है क्या
हमेशा 180 160 का भाव है
उधर का?
एक डोसा 160 है, 180 है. इडली बिडली उसके बाद मालूम नहीं.
अंदर जगह नहीं है बैठने की.
खड़ा लेके खाने का.
ओह थैंक
खड़ा
यू.
लेके खाने का और छतरी लेके खड़ा रहने का.
थैंक यू सर. सो वी आर एट कैंडीज फाइनली. साइड हो जा, फिर तू कहेगा व्लॉग में ला रही हूँ. Lights should look. You have to come here at Christmas. See, I have been there last time. So Christmas का time था. मतलब हर जगह lights should. ऊपर जाएंगे. यहाँ पे क्रिसमस पर कितनी अच्छी डेकोरेशन हुई थी. Look at those vibrant blue and white walls and the garden terrace just make you feel like you're on a mini vacation. Every corner is photo worthy, whether it's a vintage lamps, the artistic posters, or the cozy looks filled with the matches, taste chairs, and colorful cushions.
ये ना यहाँ पे बहुत सारे फेमस राइटर्स भी आते हैं, सिंगर्स भी आते हैं. दे हैव नॉट इनफ दैट वन शॉप जहाँ से हमने लिया, बट यहाँ पे पीछे भी एक शॉप. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे राइटर्स, सिंगर्स, गिटारिस्ट आते हैं, गाने गाते हैं रात को. और यहाँ पे लिटरली लोग म्यूज़िक क्लासेस भी देते हैं. एक बार देखा था मैंने, बाकी आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट एवरी डे. And the best part is we always sit in this corner.
Okay, so time to talk about food. We went for their legendary chicken sandwiches, and if you have been to Candice before, you know how iconic this is. And also tried their different kind of puddings, which was super creamy and nostalgic. And the drink of the day, you already know about it. It would be always my cold coffee, the iconic one which I ever had in Mumbai. Candies is known for its cafe cats. Like literally, the cats feel like part of the decor. Visitors often spot them laughing on chairs, playing near staircase, or basking in natural sunlight.
So we are gonna order one brownie donut, blueberry cheesecake, and key lime pie of pieces. You want to add this caramel fudge?
Sure.
So, one brownie donut, and one cheesecake, which is blueberry cheesecake. One brownie donut, second one is blueberry cheesecake, and the third one is key lime pie of 2 pieces.
Key lime pie.
कैसे लगा आपको कैंडीज में आके?
Very nice.
एंजी मैम आपको कैसे लगा? Can you say something about my channel? Like, share, subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
This is very camera shy. So guys, we're gonna come here again very super soon. Bye bye. So guys, we're done with the candies, and it was so good. Like, we had a lot of things over there. I forgot the name, but I remember cheesecake. Second one, I loved the coffee of Candies, the cold coffee, the OG coffee I've ever had in Mumbai. And right now I'm in Worli, my home, my accommodation, and I'll sleep. Maybe I'll play guitar. So wait for my next vlog. We'll see you soon again. And if you like the vlog, just do hit a comment or a like, or you can share as well as if you loved it. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.